How do you file jointly for the first time in TurboTax? So first you gotta go to TurboTax and sign into your account. And then you wanna start a new tax return or open your current one in progress. And during the process, when asked for the filing status, you wanna select married and then select plan to file jointly or married filing jointly. And then you'll be prompted to enter your spouse's personal information. Then press continue and confirm both of you want to file one combined return. You will also need to enter income for both spouses from W-2 forms and 1099s and etc. And then you would add any deductions or credits that apply to either of you. Review the combined tax summary. And all you need to do is continue to file and submit the joint return. The key point here is you only file one return together, not two separate ones. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.